You're gonna keep up with me. Which is better for content.
Yeah. I mean, you can lose me too. I might last too.
If I'm the one who dies, tell I love her.
I will.
Is it even recording?
Yep.
Oh, wonderful.
My name is Ridge Chaser, and I'm a North American racer in the motorsport subset known as Touge. This is my journey through the elusive and captivating corner of this underground automotive world.
I fucking money shifted.
No, you didn't.
Do you remember, you know that corner with a bunch of arrow signs where everyone like crashes because it gets tighter and tighter near the top?
Yeah.
I fucking money shifted to second, got scared, put it in neutral, and didn't know what to do. I slammed the brakes because I was worried that if I put it back into gear really hard, like at that speed, it would fucking kick the back out. So I literally put it in neutral and fucking floored it. Like,
did you turn this off?
Ah!
Oh no!
No!
No, what happened? My bad.
My mirror is held up by strings.
Oh shit. We can't wait because we can't have your mirror there because your face will be in there unless you're okay with that.
What do you mean?
Because like your face might show in the camera.
Why? Why?
Content.
Dude, he literally he was adjusting my mirror and ripped it all off. Because my mirror was literally like, it was stitched to the fucking headliner. Now I have no mirror. So you can use your high beams.